company secretary and a graduate from IIM Ahmedabad by qualification. Basically, the product which I'm going to show to you is we offer online entrance test preparation, which is available to students. These are basically mock test papers which we make available to the students online. The product which I call a white sheet, which is made available online. This is basically the student gives a test in one go for whatever duration it is. At the end of the test, he submits the answers and he gets a feedback within a time frame over email. Now, the product requires minimum internet connectivity. He just has to switch on at the start and at the end of the test paper. After that, the feedback process, etc. takes care. But there's no tutorial in this. There's no coaching in this. The idea is to take the test preparation for all major examinations to the nook and corner of India. Now, CAT and MAT are going online in 2009, which opens up this entire industry to a lot of growth, and secondly, to the change in dynamics, the way entire industry operates. And that's what we are banking upon. We intend to take advantage of the opportunity of the growth that it presents. And secondly, there are two critical components which we are trying to address through this. There's one which is accessibility. I mean, why should only 4 lakh students sit in IIT when approximately 60 to 70 lakhs are passing out the 12th standard every year? The reason is few believe that they can crack the test. And second, fewer have accessibility to good coaching so that they can start, even start believing it. So this is one. We want to, try to address that accessibility part. Second is the cost of coaching. The cost of coaching has 3 components: infrastructure, faculty, and third, which is almost hidden, mobility out of your home. I mean, a semi-urban or a rural, even a tier 2, tier 3 student, he simply needs to move out of his home. And the cost of that coaching sometimes adds up to 2 to 3 times of the coaching fees that a traditional coaching institute charges. Now, this is something which we need to set right. I mean, if the student is brilliant, he can do self-study, why not, the coaching solution is available online. This is, basically these are 2 things we are trying to address. Now, where are we? We are basically present in 10 states right now. 30 cities we are present through our network of franchisee and business partners. Franchisee sells the package, spreads awareness to the students, and business partner basically appoints franchisee, and he enters into collaboration with educational institutions to provide them host of assessment solutions, including this, which happens to be the most popular, but there are other solutions like skill assessment, psychometric assessment, which is, pretty niche area. We have been supplemented in this growth by my pre-existing venture, which is Compaq E-Services Private Limited. It is one of the largest integrated e-services company in India today, with 1,500 centers across India. So that's one of the key drivers in growth of this distribution channel in a short time. In the last 3 months, I think we are now starting earning revenue from this, because after April, it was announced that CAT and MAT are going online. The interest certainly is there in the market. So we are getting a lot of pull from the market. Apart from that, to improve the viability of our channel, we intend to enter into multiple e-learning solutions. I mean, whether it's English speaking, whether it's a lot of certification program, we intend to enter into that to improve the viability of our channel. So that's something which I wanted to share. And I thank all the sponsors, Proto, to give me this opportunity to showcase the product to you. Thanks a lot.